Unlock the secret to stunning landing pages that convert. Discover how to create a catchy designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to boost your business? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here several things and the various information about canva.com. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, a vast library, templates, and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over sign up, and then you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with canva.com. So here we have also other options like design spotlight. We have here virtual documents, as you can see, photos and videos. You have print also, you have marketing, and we have your business, Canva enterprise, Canva teams, contact sales, then we have business solutions, use case, resources also. Then we have your education, teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education. Then we have your plans and pricing, free, pro one, and you have teams under enterprise. Then we have your learn also, if you want to learn Canva blog, design school, events, help center also. So right now, after your inscription, you will find the homepage of Canva. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just to start by selecting a landing page template from the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. So with Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So I will show you how you can do that. So you can first of all just select the niche that you want. So I will click over here and I will click over Canva templates. I will click search about landing page. So we already have landing page here. Then we will find this page. If you want to here select the niche that you want. For example, we have all categories here like business, social media, education, video, marketing, print, products, cards and invitation, and we have also here style, themes, language, features, graph, and if you scroll down you will find here if you wanna the pro one or the free one. So I will click over free, then I will click over apply. So once you do that, you will find only the landing page, or I mean the free landing page. So you click over the one you want. For example, I will select this one, and then I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page. So this is it. We have here various things. I will show you how you can do that. So here we have designs. You can select the templates you want, or you can search here. We have your website, dashboard, portfolio, and also we have here like that. For example, this one. And then if you want to styles also, as you can see, we have your create your brand style. Recently used, we have your combinations, we have color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes also. Then we have your elements. We have your arrow, line, frame, button. Then we have logo, rectangle, search. We have search bar, profile, font, and you can just select the niche you want. Then we have your text. If you want to add the text here, you can also delete this one if you don't want it. And if you want to come back, you have just to click over here. This is how it looks. Then we have also here magic write, add your brand fonts, default text style. We have add a heading, as you can see. We have add a subheading also, add a little bit of body text, and we have also here recently used. For example, here this one. Or we have your font combinations. You can just choose the one you want. Then we have your brand, logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have uploads here. You can upload the file you want, like images, videos, audios also. You can just click over upload files and then you get started. Then we have here draw. You can just select the color you want. For example, I select this one and I will draw whatever I want. Then if you want to other options, like we have, if you want to add a page, if you want to zoom here, and then we have here also scroll view like that, or here we have grid view, as you can see. Then we have other things here like file. About this one, you have create new design. If you want to import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to folder, make a copy, download, version history, and move to trash. Then we have here resize also. Resize your design into whatever format you need. Then you have translate your design into another language, transform it into doc, transfer the content of your design into doc. So you have just to click over here and you will just try for free. Then we have editing here, make changes, comment and add feedback. Viewing we have read only, and here if you want to come back at the first, as you can see, so this is the first photo that I add here. Then we have also here all changes saved, and if you want to try pro and you have to pay for this one. Then if you want to add another account and the sites also here, as you can see, we have engagement, unique links, social media views, and we have then current page. Have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. You have just to click over add comment and you start your conversation. Then you have here if you want to publish, and then you have here share. So if you want to add something here, you have just to click over here, and if you want to magic write, if you want to pop in, so this is the font, and here we have this size, as you can see. Then you have the color, you select the color that you want. As you can see, I'll select the black so it's invisible. I will select the one I want. Then we have here also text. So this is text color. Then we have bold, italic, and alignment, as you can see. So I choose this one. Then we have list, spacing, as you can see, laser spacing. Then we have also here transparency, effects, then we have also here animate, just remove animation if you want. Then we have other things like position, and then we have spacing, and you have other things like underline, strict row, and we have case, transparency, and other things. So Canva empowers to create stunning landing page effortlessly, blending creativity and with functionality by utilizing its intuitive tools and templates. You can design a page that not only looks great but also effectively engages your audience. So whether you are promoting products or capturing leads, Canva makes it simple to transform your vision into reality. Start designing today and watch your conversion soar. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.